Hey guys, my name is Abur Agarwal. Hope you're having an amazing day. It's been a while since I made a fashion video, so here it is. Denim jackets, jeans, shirts are literally the most versatile clothing ever. You can make hundreds of outfits by combining them with other pieces of clothing. But there are some rules which everyone should follow so that each one of those outfits look amazing. So if that sounds interesting, then let's get into the video. So the first thing which you should keep in mind whenever you style a denim is your base. See, denim jackets and shirts are something which are layered most of the time. And now the question arises, what should be it layered with? Should it be t-shirts? If yes, then of what color? Let me clear them out. So your base most of the time should be t-shirts. It could be round neck, v-neck, anything. And if winters are going on, you can even pair a denim jacket with a hoodie. That looks amazing too. For color, always go for the basics. Black and white look really good with denim. And if you want to try out something different, then there's always the option of pink, but don't go overboard. You can even wear checks in it, but don't wear t-shirts which have lots of graphics on it. Now the second thing which you should always keep in mind whenever you are wearing a denim, it's fit. Just like any other outfit, your denim jacket shirt should also fit you. It should not be super tight or super loose, just fit. In most of the cases, they might not fit you, so get them tailored. Do anything you can to make them look perfect. Remember, you will not layer them every time. There will come a time when you wear them alone, and when that comes, the fit comes in. The fit will make it look absolutely perfect. When you are layering them, the fit doesn't matter that much, but when you are wearing them alone, the fit should be perfect. It also looks amazing on skinny guys too, so invest in a good denim right now. Now the third thing to keep in mind is the origin. By origin, what I mean is the color of the jacket or shirt. Now there are a lot of options out there, from blue to black to red to green, but most of the guys, if lucky, would probably own 3 to 4 jackets or shirt at max. So what should be the color of your denim jacket or shirt so that whenever you wear them, you look the best? When it comes to denim, blue and black are the best colors out there. It looks good on everyone. It could be light blue or dark blue. It will look good on you. Black will also look good on everyone. But if you want to try out something different, then try out olive green. This color of denim looks amazing, but it's a shame that many guys don't wear it. So the basic colors whenever you buy a denim are blue, black and olive green. Now the fourth thing is to buy it from a quality brand. Look guys, when it comes to denim, you don't buy it every day. Maybe once or twice a year in winter. So whenever you buy them, make sure that you buy it of good quality. Try it from Zara or Jack and Jones. They are not that expensive, and also they are not that cheap. Good quality denims will be there for you a lifetime. So always prefer quality over quantity when it comes to these type of stuffs, man. Now the fifth thing to remember whenever you are styling a denim is frequency. As I said in the starting, you can literally make hundreds of outfits from denim. So make them. Don't wear the same type of stuff every day. Maybe go for a black base sometime. Maybe go for a white base sometime. Maybe don't go for a base at all. Wear it only with shirt and black jeans. It looks super dope too. There's the denim over denim look too. That looks amazing too. You try out different stuff, man. Change is necessary in every aspect of life. Now the sixth and probably the most important thing whenever you are styling a denim is your shoes. Shoes can make or break your outfit. Whenever you don't know what kind of shoes you should wear, then try to wear it with black and white sneakers. You can even match the shoes with your base too. For example, if you are going for a black base, then try out black sneakers. If you are going for a white base, then wear white sneakers. Even white shoes look good on black t-shirts too. Try out something like a all black look. That looks amazing too. If you want to look more mature, then try out Chelsea boots. I know right now is not the best time to worry about your clothes, but save this video, refer it to when you are going out. Also have a lot of videos related to this topic, so check them out too, man. So that's it guys for today. I hope you guys learned something from this video. If you did, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. See you guys in the next video.